Hello viewer, if your Instagram chat theme disappeared, let's see how to fix Instagram chat theme missing problem. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Go to your profile icon from the lower right corner. Click on 3 line from the top right corner. Scroll down, find out help. Click on help. Click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Click on don't include and continue. Now in the report box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you. So in this report box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram chat theme disappeared. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. After doing this, go back to your home screen. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Instagram app. Go to Instagram app. From here, update your Instagram app. So please follow these 2 steps to fix Instagram chat theme disappeared problem or Instagram chat theme missing problem.